Guys, today I want to show you apartment for short-term rental, which is in the middle of Sunny Isles. It's north Miami. So this is 3-bedroom plus den. This is very nice apartment. This apartment you can rent for vacation rental. Minimum vacation period is 4 months. So basically 4 months, 6 months, 1 year you can take it. And you're gonna ask me what is prices. So if it's for annual lease, asking price is $2,800 per month. If it's short term, like 6 months, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, like $3,000 per month. If it's going to be less than 6, like 4 months, it's going to be around 32 plus 13% hotel taxes. In Sunny Isles, we have everything less than 180 days. You have to pay, unfortunately, sales tax. So it's 13% extra. Guys, let me show the apartment. I'm sure you're gonna like it. The apartment has washer, dryer, parking, huge terrace, which is north. And it's, again, like I said before, it's great for annual lease and it's good for the vacation. It's fully furnished and equipped. You don't need to buy anything. So let's walk through. I'm gonna show everything what it has. It has like a fully loaded kitchen. Like I said before, it has washer, dryer. It's European standard. And so you don't need to run to any laundry because a lot of old buildings, they don't have it. And you're gonna ask me how much this apartment costs. Guys, this apartment costs around 500,000 US. So you can buy it if you want. We have similar apartment for sale in the same complex. Complex calls Porto Bellagio. It's Porto Bellagio. We have 4 buildings. If you're looking to buy something, 2-bedroom costs around between 300 to 350. If it's let's say 3 bedrooms, price range from 450 up to 500. Depends from renovation, view, floor, and everything. So let's go through the apartment, and you're gonna see everything. So living room connected with the den. Then some people did 4th bedroom or 4th some room for the office room because it has door and window. Each bedroom has window and closet, so it's not a lot of apartments in Miami done like 2-bedroom plus den. Then it's not bedroom because it doesn't have window. This fully full-size 3-bedroom. 2nd bedroom. All rooms facing north. Only one small facing east. It means it's never hot. I mean, you don't spend energy bill low for electric because it's AC need to work. You can spend the whole day on balcony. Let me show you the master bedroom. And it has stand-up shower, tap, and double sink. Apartment comes with a 1 parking spot. If you need 2nd, you can always rent it. It costs $60–80, depends from the parking spot. And queen size bed. Guys, if you have any questions, I would like to respond to you with all your comments. And again, apartment for rent, it's $2,800 asking price for annual, furnished and equipped. If you're looking to buy, more than welcome. I'm gonna explain you how prices works, what is expenses. And guys, welcome to sign for our channel. See you soon. Thank you.